Making a quick video of a Halloween prop that I'm making for an elementary school. This is going to be one of the scenes in it. It's going to be the haunted library. This is an animated prop. New the first half in the light so you can see some of the details. The whole bookshelf is made out of 1-inch foam board. I used a router to route out all the books to give it a little bit of like a three-dimensional look. Then we painted them all, put titles on them. Some of them are actual book titles. Some of them are just made up titles. The bust themselves, the lower half is also made out of that same foam board, carved down. All the heads I bought from a hobby shop. Each one of those I just use like a paintable caulking to kind of put like the hair and like the facial hair, the beards and the mustaches, to kind of give them all their own little look. The heads on these move. So what it does is you put them in a start position, and then as the kids go to walk past, and the kids and the parents, you press a button and you actually make the heads follow them as they walk past the window. The reason for the blue color paint is it's all black light. So the bust, the eyes, some of the labels on the books, the little eyes up on the top, the clock down there, all glow with the black light. So when the lights are out, those really stand out to really add to the kind of the creepy factor of it. The window in the front is just purely just to keep them from touching or playing with it. Plus, I think it kind of adds to the character of the book, like the library. You're looking through a window into the library, or could even represent maybe a set of French doors. All right, I'm gonna shut the lights out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make the heads move. I get a spot where I can get all four of them in the shot here. This will kind of be their start position. That's where they're going to be. And then as they go to walk, as the parents and the kids go to walk past, there'll be someone behind a blinder where you can't see them, and they'll just push a button, and the heads will follow them as they walk past.